In this video, I'll show you how to verify your PayPal account so you can use it with fewer limits and more features. First, log in to your PayPal account using the app or website. On the home screen, look for any notifications or alerts at the top, or go to Settings and then Account or Security. If your account isn't fully verified, you'll usually see a message asking you to complete setup or lift limits. Next, confirm your email address. Open the inbox of the email you used to sign up. Find the message from PayPal and click the Confirm Email link. Then go back to PayPal and make sure it shows as confirmed. After that, link a bank account or debit/credit card in the Wallet section. Enter your details, then follow the verification steps. PayPal may send a small test charge or deposit with a code in the description. Check your bank or card statement, find the code, and type it back into PayPal. Once your email and bank or card are confirmed, your account is usually considered verified and many limits are removed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.